This is the pressure washer foam cannon with dual connector accessory double tip attachment for pressure washer soap cannon, 7 power washer nozzle tips, a 1/4 inch quick connect, 4000 PSI car foam sprayer. The material is brass and the brand is Affloton. This has the double-edged design, which has a unique setup. One end is longer for the pressure washer nozzle and the shorter end is for the foam cannon. This design ensures smooth water flow when using the nozzle, even with the foam dispenser attached. Effortless switching. The two-way shuttle valve allows you to effortlessly switch between the soap foam sprayer and pressure washer tip. There's no need to constantly disassemble or replace parts. This saves time and reduces the hassle of handling different cleaning jobs, making it a super versatile and convenient cleaning tool. It has the upgraded feature. It operates between 1200 to 3600 PSI, premium materials, and wide applications. It comes with 5 sprayer nozzle tips with different angles, 0, 15, 25, 40, and 65 degrees. You can select the most suitable one for your cleaning job.